Alright, welcome everybody to RDR Sports Cards. It is Friday, July 17th, 2015. We are breaking a personal box for our good friend Kevin. He's got a box of 2014 Panini Black Gold. Let's get it started. Let's get him some monsters. Let's see what we can pull out of here. This stuff, I am a big fan of Black Gold. We opened a lot of it personally at the beginning of the year. Pulled a couple laundry tags from some personal boxes. So I haven't really seen much since release day. Empty. Okay. Let's see. Let's go like this. There are definitely some cool hits in here. Why the camera feels like it's really high? All right, here we go. Let's get you some booms. Let's get you some booms.
Where are all the sponges at?
I've been using some of them for the boxes.
I found a handful of them.
Did you? Okay.
Yeah, here you go.
So these are all upside down. Okay, let me flip. Flip.
That's the other way.
No, I think they're all okay. Alright. Team symbols. Ben Roethlisberger.
Big
Ben
Ben.
Roethlisberger, 39 out of 149.
Big Ben.
Get some focus on there for you. I cannot get any focus there. There we go. Alright.
Benless cheeseburgers.
Next one is a big looking patch.
Check it out.
Jordan Matthews, 42 out of 49, is it? Wow.
That is a beauty.
That's got to be part of the eagle there.
It says you're popping and cracking through your mic.
Oh, am I? All right, let me turn off the big mic. Let me mute that. Is that better? Is that audio better? 42 out of 49. Jordan Matthews for the Philadelphia Eagles. Nice looking patch.
That is a beauty. So much better.
Okay. I will, I wonder why the mic starts. I think it has to do with the stream. We'll have to figure it out. Anyway, Johnny Manziel, Motherload. Johnny Manziel for the Cleveland Browns. Motherload patch, 225 out of 299. J Money, Johnny Manziel.
JJ Money.
And Jordan Cameron, 131 out of 199. Base card. Jordan Cameron. Yeah. Alright, next pack. Keep it going.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Yeah.
Just flip them like that.
Yeah.
Is
You
this the base
the
card?
biggest, thickest card is usually last.
Oh, is it? So I'm all upside down?
It's okay though.
Des Bryant, 19 out of 199. Des Bryant for the Dallas Cowboys.
Big baby, as we like to call him.
Alright. Next up, Motherload. Calvin Benjamin for the Carolina Panthers. Calvin Benjamin, 220. Boy, it's so hard to read. 228 out of 299, I think.
KB.
220, or maybe it's 220. Sorry about that. It's really hard to read those numbers. I think it's either 228 or 220. I think it's 220 out of 299. Calvin Benjamin. Next one.
It's 228.
It is 220. Jadeveon Clowney. Jadeveon Clowney, 130 out of 199 for the Houston Texans. Single color patch. Jadeveon Clowney. He is going to be good this year. He's got a good team around him. They've increased that D-line. He's going to be in good shape. Andre Johnson for the Houston Texans, 11 out of 25 gold parallel. Looks like there is a little piece of that is on the inside of the shadow box. like a little piece of fuzz or something. 11 out of 25, Andre Johnson.
Gold parallel.
Gold parallel. And our last seal of approval, Marquise Lee. Is it 62? Wow, that's so hard to get. 62 out of 149. Seal of approval, Marquise Lee. Well, there you go. That is the box. Let me get your video stopped and post it up on YouTube. Thank you so much, Vikings. You are welcome.